Some estate sales whisper. This one clears his throat and says, "You might want to look at this hard." Because this homeowner didn't just collect one thing, he collected many, and he collected well. Trains that run on nostalgia and precision. Atlas, Delton, USA, Coke, Budweiser, Morton salt cars built for collectors who notice the details. Murano glass fish and paperweights that flash just right in the light as they swim through the spectacular bleached but not from climate change coral specimens. Asian art that rewards a second glance. A hand-painted tea table that doubles as wall art, jade eggs, carved wood sculptures, food dogs to village scenes. Objects made by people who cared deeply how things were done, the right way, preserved behind glass. Then head downstairs to find mid-century furniture that still knows how to command attention in a room. Rattan, lamps, John Keel side tables that don't need an introduction. A pool table that's seen more than a few late nights, a lot of fun, and decor for all the wannabe pool hall sharks. To keep the fun going, vintage Atari gear for anyone who remembers when games came with manuals, in binders. Then there's the beer and liquor memorabilia, neon signage, barware, commemorative bottles, because you're a collector who just happens to know how to have a good time. Dry January be damned. Get ready for spring with whimsical birdhouses, and then pull out the knife line from Crocodile Dundee, but make it extra patriotic with bald eagle knives, art, and sculptures. No DDT allowed. This is the kind of sale where collectors collect, and it's totally worth going off the beaten path to discover, shop, and enjoy. Trinity Estate Sales, Walworth, Wisconsin, Friday and Saturday. And follow Picardy for the best estate sales.